To add an announcement to your Canvas course, you'll want to go to Announcements on the course navigation menu, and then select Add Announcement. Here, you can give your announcement a title, and then type any information you'd like to give to the students in the topic content section. Once you've typed that information for students, you can scroll down and find a few different settings and options that you can change. You can allow students to comment on announcements, or you can disallow them from commenting on the announcements as well. You can also allow liking, which can give you an idea of how many students have seen or read your post by them leaving a thumbs up. And lastly, you can set an available from and an until date so that you can schedule an announcement in advance and have it be removed after a certain time has passed. Then you can click Publish at the bottom, and this will now be posted for students to see. If we go to the home page, we'll now be able to see that announcement in the Recent Announcements section of the home page. Note that if you scheduled the announcement to be posted at a date that hasn't come yet, you will not see that announcement until that date has passed.